My child, the universe has been telling you to be patient for quite some time now. It's been sending you hints through songs, conversations, and dreams. Every test you received was not meant to halt your growth. It was meant to encourage it. All this time you thought things were not working out in your favor. Your soul was really being prepared for a massive breakthrough. Just wait and see. There is where the results of your transformation start to show. This is where you realize how divinely protected you truly are. This is where you say your final goodbyes to the old you. Let your spirit successfully block every attempt your past tries to make to pull you back into its very embrace. The time for you to repeat old cycles has long passed. It's time to align. Type yes if you believe. Something very good is coming your way. Good news. All of a sudden, and you will be thankful that you got everything in this world, and you will get all of these if you learn how to do it. Type yes if you believe in God, and also subscribe the channel. Thank you for your love and support.